In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a print-on-demand business using Wix. We'll create a print-on-demand website whereby you can offer products which are going to be printed by the print provider once any customer places an order. The first thing is that we want to go to our Wix dashboard and we want to create a new site. So on the dashboard, I want to create a new site of this old website. I want to create a new website. I'll start here, click there, and make sure to use the Wix editor because Wix Studio still has a little bit of bugs. I'll click on the Wix editor and it's going to ask me if I want to start with chat. I'll say setup without chat. And I want to see print on demand. On demand. So it's going to give me quite a number of options. Print on demand. I think I'll just change that there, print on demand. And it says online print shop, this and that and this. I'll just go with this online print shop. And I'm going to go to continue. And it's taking me to my dashboard. Now it's brought me here. I want to see the T corner because we're going to be printing t-shirts. This is going to be the name of the website, the T corner. I'm going to click on continue. Are you saying no? I'm just starting out. I'll click on continue. So what is it? We are going to choose the kind of business we want to do. I'll say print on demand products here. You can choose drop shipping. You can choose services if you want to sell digital products. Here's where you're going to do that. I'm going to click on continue. And then I'll say online store and social media for how I'm going to offer my products. I'll click on continue. And I'm going to continue to dashboard. Now it's taking me to my Wix dashboard. And when this loads, you're going to see I'm giving a number of options. First things first, I can add a product here. Secondly, I can set up shipping and delivery. Number three, I can set up payment systems. I'll do that later. I can design my website. I'll do that later. What I want to do is that I want to add sell drop shipping or print on demand products. I want to click on that, find products. It's going to give me two options. The first one will be drop shipping. First one is print on demand rather. And the second one is drop shipping. So I want to go with print on demand. And I want to print on, let's see, hats. I could slide left. Since I'm selling, I said I wanted to sell t-shirts. I'm going to choose this t-shirt, view product. And it brings this up. And I can start designing this. So available colors is only available in white. I can start designing it. I'm going to click on start designing. Now I'm going to drop my design here. I'll click on that. And I want to go to my computer to upload some designs. I'll just use these logos. Of course, you know what these logos are. I'm going to drop them here. The one I want to use for this is this CSS logo. I'm going to add image. And it says your image doesn't meet our requirements. Select a stitch color. Okay, so I can scale down a little bit. All right, that is it. So if I select to scale that down a little bit, I'll close this. For some reason, it tells me my print image doesn't meet the requirements. I'll just get another one. I'll upload another design here. I'll come to design. I want to come to files. I want to upload this new image I downloaded of a watermelon and is uploading. I'm going to add it now, add image to my design, and I want to use it to replace this particular one. All right. So I want to adjust this, of course. It should be something smaller than this. First of all, I will delete this. And then I'll bring this one back in. I can adjust this design. So you're going to have to patiently adjust this and make sure it fits into the print area. I'll reduce that again. I'm told to select a stitch color. I don't see where to select that here, but the easy way to find that is just to click on preview, and then I'll click on white. I think I can, anyway, I'll click on white, and then I'll click on select. Then now I can continue designing my product. It's loading. You see the watermelon, it shows me these mock-ups. I can click on continue, and I could select a number of mock-ups here. A number of mock-ups. I'll use this. You could just select all if you want all of them to be on your website, but make sure you are aware of the fact that it's going to bloat your website if you have too many items. I'm going to click on continue, and then for the prices, these are Printful's prices, $21.99, and the retail price is this. So you are making profits of this. You can adjust it if you want to add the retail price to $33 so that you make 11 euros. You can do that. You can go ahead and do the same here. So put a price that is convenient, but I advise you to put a price which is low because the competition is really high. So I'm going to click on continue, and you could change the description here. I'll say watermelon men's white t-shirt. You could change this description here. These are the various dimensions. You could change this description here. I'm going to click on continue. To continue, please agree to Printful's terms and services. I'm going to say yes. Agree. Do you want to receive important updates and helpful guides? You can leave that as it is. Click on continue, and it's loading. So it's going to say adding Printful, just agree and add. If you don't want to agree, then you can't use that service. Now we are told explore more products. I'll just say go to product list. You can explore more products from here. You can design other products. I'm just going to go to product list, but let's just say we want to explore more products. You can see things like this jar. You can see things like this hat, this beanie, and many other things. You can even you see this glass. You can customize this glass. Shaker print glass. You have kids clothes, you have slippers. Let's just say I wanted to add that design to this hat here. I'll click on view details, and I'm going to start designing, and I'll put the same thing, the watermelon here. I'm just going to insert that design. I will select this where my site files. This is it. I'll select that. I'll add the image. And it says your embroidery may not turn out as expected. The uploaded file has too many colors. Anyway, it's an embroidery, so I'll just use it. It's just for demonstration. I'll click on continue. And it shows me, it's going to show me quite a number of people wearing the hats here. I'm going to choose those I want. So this is how the embroidery is going to turn out. I'll click on continue. And you could change the price here to something like 24, and I'll make $11. I'll continue. I'll say watermelon dad hat. I'll click on continue, and it's adding my product. So I'll just go to see my products on my store right now. So I have these two products. The hat is not yet showing here. I can delete these, delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this, delete, delete. because these are products which come automatically with the website. I'm going to delete this. And I want to go to actions. I want to delete this. So these are, if I reload this, I think the hat should be showing when I reload. After reload, all right, now we see the hat. So these are the products I have. The next thing we can do is that we want to go and design our website. If you go to more actions, if I close this, more actions, import, export. I don't want to do that for now. What I want to do is that I want to go back to my website and design it. So I'll come here. I want to go to my website. So simply click on setup here. And when you click on setup, come to design your website, click on design your website. And then we want to choose a template. Don't want to design it from scratch. We want to choose a template. And since this is a fashion website, I'll use this t-shirt store. I'll edit that. And when it comes, it's going to have imported all the assets in the template. It's asking me to enhance my content with AI. I'm going to say no. And then here, I'm just going to toggle this off. And you can continue to add your products here. Not your products. You can add your own designs here and your own images here. The website or your Printify store gives you quite a number of images you can add. Now, if I come to pages and I come to shop, you're going to see that our products are displaying on our shop page. Now, it says we don't have any products right now. Let me go back to my products and add them here. So I'm going to go back to my website, to the back end. I'll come to the back end of my website. I'll go to apps, app market. And I want to search for Printful. Printful. I'm going to click on that. And I want to add it officially to my website because we've already added it, the products, but they are not displaying. And it's going to say, I'm going to say allow all. So you are going to need to log into your Printful account in order to add those products. So I'm going to log into my Printful account. Now, coming back to our website, go to your product catalogs, to your catalog, go to products. I'll just select all of these products which we created. I'll go to show them. I want them to be shown on our store. And you go to more actions, set sale and all that. I'll leave those as they are. And if I reload this page now, I'll reload this page. And now if I come to my shop page, you can see I have my products here. So these are my two products. It turns out I didn't even need to sign into my Printful account. I just had to add the product catalog. So here you have it. That is how to create a print-on-demand website. Now don't forget, you can come to your homepage and customize it as much as you want. And you can also come here and try to connect your domain name. On the setup page, connect your domain name. I'll go to, here it is, connect domain name. If you have a domain name, try to connect it here. So whatever it is, what you can connect your domain name there. And don't forget to save and publish your website when you're done. Publish this, save, and continue. So if you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video particularly, and post your comment in the comment section. God bless you. Peace.